Yep.
There's only Mega Brave.
Mega Brave?
Yeah.
Check how much. Ask mo. Ask mo magkano. Huh? Ask mo kung ano, kung one booster pack. Wait na lang. Tapusin muna natin to.
Oh, look at that.
Shinchan.
Look at that thing. Umbreon and Tornado.
Maneki-neko. 1,750. Malaking tuna na ito ah. Pwedeng gawing sashimi yan. Shiba Inu. Oh, okay. So, napalitan na to. Before, ano to puro plushies. Okay. So, mga Blokies section to. Dito yung mga Ban Presto, tsaka Sega. Isa mga ganito, hindi ako familiar. Pero, mukhang blind boxes sila, no? Yung mga Funko Pops pa rin. Meron si Big Mom doon, no? Stig. Uy! Si Cub Vant. Boba Fett.
Who's that? I forgot his name, but you know him.
Yeah, that's Ang. The name's right there.
There's Pokemon.
Horsey. Jabberwockies, meron din dito. Gusto yung Jabberwockies.
Jinbei.
Stoby. Obito.
Luffy. Jinbei.
Okay. Oh, meron din Goldie Roger. Ang daming Funko Pops. Pa rin.
Ultraman.
Ayan. Skibidi, oh.
What the heck is Skibidi?
Nalaro mo dati
my
yun.
gosh, what the heck?
Phoenix, oh.
Oh, the game.
Goldie Roger.
Oh, man.
Ganda nito, ah. Kano to?
Wait, why didn't it put him back there?
Walang presyo, eh. Stig, no? Jinbei, oh. Si King. Si Baggy. Denji.
Oh, no. There's Water Road. Apparent Run Rangers. God. Negroes.
Dito, meron pa silang plushies. Oh, si Turbo Granny. Wala itong si Turbo Granny.
Big massive Raichu.
Walang price.
Raichu.
Magkano yan?
I don't know.
Check mo, dito.
Alex.
1,500?
105?
1,500, no, 1,500.
Oh my gosh. Look at Pikachu and
Zenitsu.
Mew. Wait, Mew.
Mimikyu.
Mimikyu and this guy.
Yeah.
There's no else Pokemon except Slowpoke here.
Ano kaya ito?
There's even Hot Wheels now. There's even Hot Wheel packs.
Saan?
Hot Wheels packs.
Cards, no?
Yeah. The Jurassic World match. Oh, look at that Funko Pop. Oh, the Joker. Look at this.
₱99 each.
I found Ant-Man Funko Pop. Look at there.
Naruto.
Look at that thing.
Ito mga Toy Story.
Cards. Oh, How to Train Your
Ganda rin, no?
Dragon.
Right. Stitch. Ooh, Luffy Gear 2. It's Gojo.
Gojo.
Nice.
And I don't know, Todro, some Junior. No, who's this? Some Jun.
Sa ano to, solo leveling. Ito meron pa silang Naruto. 99 each. Mega Brave. Destined Rivals to eh.
Trick Trade. Oh my god,
Hmm?
look at this.
Ay, that's Inferno X.
Yeah. I didn't know we could find that.
Siguro kuha tayo ng dalawa. Pagka walang hit, kuha ulit ng dalawa. Pero ano yung maximum? Ito po, dalawa po muna. Okay guys, so kumuha muna kaming dalawa. Kung walang
Hit.
hit. Kung walang hit, kuha pa kami ng dalawa. Pero ayun yung maximum namin. 250 each. Let's go. Kaya mo buksan?
I don't think so.
Yeah, wait, help kita. Try mo muna. Try mo. Oh, be careful. Grab mo dyan. Hawakan mo dyan.
Here.
Yep, hawakan mo dyan. Tapos pull. There you go. See? Oh, check natin.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Ah,
Wala.
nothing.
Nothing. So dito.
That, ah.
Sige, pull mo lang dito. Dito. Dyan mo pull. Dito. So sa unang dalawang pack, nakakuha lang kami ng hollow rare. So kuha pa kami dalawa, pero ayun na yung maximum. Sure ka? Sure ka? Okay.
Okay.
Okay guys, so part 2. Sana may makuha na tayo.
Right here.
There. See? Ganun lang para hindi tatalsik. Alright. Hopefully we find one. Oh, wait.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh.
SAR!
Ah,
SAR!
we got the
SAR!
SAR trainer.
This is crazy.
We got
Nice.
the
Alright.
SAR.
Second one.
Oh, here's the trap. Oh, we got the
Nice.
SAR. Maybe that's the look. Oh, no.
That's crazy.
Oh, there. We got the SAR. I told you we get luck.
Buksan mo pa tong part na yan. Yan. Para hindi malukot yung card.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Bulbasaur.
That's Venusaur. Okay, so a hollow again.
Another hollow.
Yep, so ayun. That's it. So, nakakuha tayo ng SAR at dalawang hollow rare, which is okay na.
Yeah, I get.
Okay, tapos na tayo dito.
We got the SAR. Yes.